Good morning and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we are going to continue our topic of subtraction, but today we're going to be learning how to find a part. And on the next slide I'm going to show you a model that the children will have seen before, but they might just need a little recap on how to use it. So here on this slide I have a model of a part-whole model. So you can see here that the top circle shows us the whole. This is the total amount that I have got altogether. So for mine, I've got the number 4. This could represent 4 counters, 4 bananas, it could be 4 monkeys, it could be 4 anything. Now you can see there that from my whole, I have 2 arms coming off, and I always remember them as they're holding the parts in the 2 hands. So those parts there coming off, add those together and you will get the total amount of my whole. So you can make different combinations of different parts added together to make the whole. So can you see how I have done that there? So as I just showed you, I mentioned that adding the 2 parts together would equal your whole, and that would use addition. But how can we use the part-whole model to subtract? So when we subtract, we must always start with the whole, because when we are subtracting, we're always starting with the amount that we have in total. Then we can start subtracting and taking away one of the parts. So if you look at my number sentences here on the slide, I have worked out that 4 subtract 1, if I then covered up the 1 with my hand, what part would be left? So that is what I have left over. So I can work out that 4 minus 1 equals 3. It leaves me with 3 left. Then I can do it the other way round. I could start with 4 as I need to and subtract 3 from it, so I can hide that part. How many do I have left? So for this question here, you need to complete the part-whole models and subtractions. So my part-whole model here is going to represent that how many children have hats and how many children don't have hats. So the main question is asking you, how many children do not have hats? So you can see that my total is 5. That is because there are 5 children altogether. So in your part, I would like you to show me how many children do not have hats and how many children do have hats. And then can you use that information to finish my number sentence there? Here, let's complete the part-whole model and the number sentence. So how many ice creams have sprinkles? So you first of all need to think about how many ice creams do you have altogether. Then you can create your 2 parts. In one part you will have the ice creams that have sprinkles, and in your second part you will have the ice creams that do not have sprinkles. Can you find another part-whole model and another way to complete the subtraction from the slide before? Complete the part-whole models and subtractions.